I'm LiWen, and today we are focusing on contractions. Lift your left heel. Switch.
Let me see you jump.
Strong abs, the ones that we use in Samba. And those are super important because they're used everywhere, like in your butter photos, in your kusada walks, and so on, and so on, and so on. So for today's lesson, we are going to do a mixture of a really awesome contraction Samba drill, as well as an ab workout. And we have a way for you to win all the courses we have on danceinsanity.com. More about that later. So I'm really excited. We're gonna do this little Samba drill, and then we're gonna alternate it with an ab workout. You might be asking, well, do I wear my Latin shoes? You have the option of being barefoot, wearing your socks, house slippers, or you wanna sneaker it up, boots, or maybe you just want to put on your good old Latin shoes. And you will also want to have a mat, like a yoga mat, or if you have a carpeted floor, then that's perfect too for the ab portion of the workout. Let's get started. This is what we're gonna do with the Samba portion. You're gonna stand with your weight on the left leg, slight bend in the left knee, right leg is straight behind you. Then you're gonna pull your right leg in and contract your stomach, lifting your left heel. Back again, and lift, back and contract, back and contract. And you're gonna switch your weight to your right, left leg goes back, and then contract, right heel lifts, back, contract, back, contract, back, contract, switch. And we'll do it again, right side, lift. Second one, third one, fourth one, switch, left leg back, up, contract. And third one, fourth one, then we go down to the mat and we'll do some awesome ab exercises. And we'll take everything through 3 times. Let's rock and roll this with some music. Starting with your weight on the left leg, with a slight bend of the knee, start to contract your stomach in, squeeze your glutes. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, we hold 1, in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, switch, 1, 2, contract, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 1, 2, 3, comes forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we go down to the floor. Right here, we're gonna set this up. All right, so squeeze your legs together, point your feet, and you can tent up your fingers right behind you, squeeze your elbows, proud chest. Then lift your legs up, your shins parallel to your mat. And we'll hold this for 30 seconds. Time starts now. Keep lifting your chest. See if you can lighten the weight in your hands. And squeeze your stomach in. Smile. Squeeze your legs together. It'll help energize you. Yeah, keep lifting your heart up into the sky. Yeah. Squeeze your abs in. Right, from here, now you can choose to stay here. Or you can release your hands. Yeah, stretch through your collarbones. Use your hands to lift your heart. Squeeze your legs. And time. Cross your ankles. Sit up nice and tall. Do a little stretch over to one side. Yeah, then stretch over to the other side. Back to Samba. Coming back, standing. Again, weight is on the left foot. 6, 7, we hold 1, 1. In 2, 3, 4, 5. Contract. 7, switch, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Long neck. 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Contract. Use your abs. And switch. 1, 2. Are you smiling? Yeah. 6, 7, 8. Back to the floor. Next 30 seconds. Start the same way we did. Right away, legs up here. We're gonna hold this proud chest. Squeeze your elbows in. Time starts now. 30 seconds. your shoulders down. So you don't want to hunch down. You want to reach your spine long. Feel like somebody's pushing the lower back forward. Yeah. Big breaths. Yeah. Now from here, you can choose to stay here, or you can start to flutter your legs for the next 15 seconds. Activate your lower pelvic floor for those strong abs that you can use to contract. Also work your legs too. And that's it. Cross your ankles. Shake your hips side to side. Big breath in. Big breath out. Do a little twist. One side. The other side. You might start to feel it in your lower back. Shake your hips side to side. Okay, third set. Last one. Let's go. Weights on the left foot. 5, 6. Hold the 7. Hold the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push your hips forward. 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift your left heel. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back down we go. Alright. Okay. Same thing. Start here and start the clock. Now, squeeze your elbows in behind you. Yeah. See if you can lift your legs up parallel to your floor. Squeeze your legs. Point your feet. Pull your belly in. Yeah, press your chest forward. Nice. You can choose to stay here or come down to your forearms and start to extend one leg, the other leg. See if you can relax your neck. Maybe take your gaze, your eye line directly up. Not directly up, but slightly in front of you and up. Keep lengthening through your legs and lifting your pelvis up. And that's time! Again, sit up nice and tall. I'm gonna face you this time. Air 5, that was really nice. So you can choose to do this one more time around. Just come back to this video every day and keep working on this, because having a strong core is so important for dancers. It helps you with your balance. And more important than that, it looks good to have a small waist, right? I hope so. So this is the first video that we're combining a Latin dance drill along with an ab workout. Did you find it challenging, or was it super easy? So if you've never really worked out or done much abs, then it might be really challenging just holding those positions. And if you need to take a break during those ab sections, then please do. And keep doing this every single day, maybe even twice a day, 3 times a day, to get your abs really strong and used to doing those kinds of movements. Because cross training is super important for being a dancer, and sometimes learning how to activate those muscles like your abdomen doesn't always come from just dancing alone, but really doing exercises that forces you to muscle through and use those muscles that you didn't think you had. Having a strong core is one of the most important things of becoming a good dancer. So keep working on these and you will be on your way to having better balance and also better contractions for your samba. And I have some very exciting news to share. We're having a special giveaway when we get to 10,000 subscribers. And one very lucky person who likes, comments, and subscribes to our channel is going to win this giveaway, where he or she will receive all our online courses for free. So enter right now. So some of you have asked for stretching videos. I just want to know if that is something that more of you would like to see. And if that's so, leave me a comment below and let me know what you like to stretch, why you like to stretch, and how you like to stretch. Or maybe that's for me to tell you. So anyway, stretch away and I will see you next time.